Why edit message feature in Messenger is not showing. Hello everyone and let's get started. Recently Messenger has launched this new feature by which where you can edit your message. So for this you need to update your Messenger. It can be done easily by visiting your Play Store or App Store and then search for Messenger. Once you search for it, tap on the update button if any update is available. So once this is done, you can now visit your Messenger. You can go to any conversation and write a message. To edit it, you just have to long press the message and tap on the three dots written as more, and you have the edit button there. Now you can easily edit the message and resend it. Unfortunately, this feature is not yet available in all the devices. It has only been launched in some devices, and in some devices it is yet to be installed or updated. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.